Now, property of colloidal solution. Scattering of light. When a strong beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution and viewed at right angles with the help of a microscope, the path of light shows up a bright cone of bluish light. This luminosity of path of beam is known as Tyndall effect, and illuminated path is known as Tyndall cone. Tyndall being the name of scientist who studied this phenomena first. If a beam of light is passed through pure water or salt solution, the path of light is visible, but when it is passed through colloidal solution, then only we can see the cone of bluish light. That is, Tyndall effect would be visible in colloidal solutions. Tyndall effect is caused due to scattering of light by the colloidal particles. True solutions do not scatter light, hence they do not show Tyndall effect. Examples of Tyndall effect. It can be seen when a fine beam of light enters in a room through a small hole. This happens due to scattering of light particles of dust and smoke in air of the room. Tyndall effect can be observed when sunlight passes through a dense forest. In the forest, fog contains tiny droplets of water which act as particles of colloid dispersed in air. Next property, which is related to electrical nature of colloidal solution. Electrophoresis. The colloidal solution contain either positively or negatively charged particles, and therefore when an electric current is passed through them, the particles move towards either of the positively charged electrodes. Definition again. The colloidal solution contain either positively or negatively charged particles. When an electric current is passed through them, the particles move towards either of the oppositely charged electrodes. Subsequently, they get discharged on the electrodes and precipitate out. Just for example, when a negatively charged As2S3 solution is taken in a U-tube into which platinum electrodes connected to a source of EMF, electromotive force, are dipped, the colloidal particles move towards a positive electrode. So this migration of colloidal particles under the influence of an electric field is known as electrophoresis.